Goeienaand, good evening, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. Earlier this evening I put up a video about the road blockages that have been put up by protesters, or actually rioters, in cities like Durban and Pietermaritzburg in KwaZulu-Natal. And apparently the cause of their rioting is service delivery by the municipalities. And we know that the Durban mayor is now facing charges of fraud, and I think that's going to be a very interesting case to follow, by the way. But obviously the municipalities in South Africa, which are run by Africans, are in a huge state of disrepair and decay. But what I've been sent here is a very, very interesting video. And I'll show it after this intro. And it's been sent to me by Ben. Thank you, Ben. And what he says, "Good day, Scott. Today I was doing my normal duties in a certain area of Port Elizabeth, of which I'll not mention the name, and decided to make a short video of some of the illegal power connections. Several people have already been killed, and especially children often fall victim to electrocution in these areas. It has been reported to authorities many times, but for years nothing has been done about it. In fact, the situation just gets worse because of increased demand and deteriorating power cables. What you see on the video is typical of what you will find in the hundreds of squatter camps all over South Africa. Imagine the strain it places on Eskom and consumers who already have to pay astronomical prices for electricity." Now, just as a matter of interest, apparently Eskom are going to be raising their prices by 15% again in the very near future. It's completely whakamanied, and as you can see, these transformers, these power transformers, are completely whakamanied because all the illegal connections, and no one is going there and sorting them out and taking them off. This is why, excuse Bonsai, he's having a seniors moment over there. This is why South Africa is completely going down the drain. All right, guys, here comes the videos. Please remember to subscribe to be kept informed, and have a great evening. Bye for now.